Hello guys. Today I want to look at the most tested question in KPSEA. First question, practices that provide support to a climbing fruit, that is training. Practices that conserve moisture, that is mulching. And then practices that you remove the shade from a nursery bed some weeks before transplanting to adjust the sunlight, that is hardening. Other question, following crop that are eaten as fresh fruit. The crop that are eaten as fresh fruit we have includes watermelons, apples, pears, oranges, grapefruit, mandarines, limes, nectarines, apricots, peaches, plums, bananas, mangoes, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, kiwi fruit, and passion fruit. Other question, main nutritional benefit of eating mangoes, it gives us vitamins. Examples of climbing fruit, we have passion, we have grapes, blackberry, we have kiwi fruit, raspberry, and then we have the last one, that is gooseberries fruit. Method of protecting young climbing fruit. The method that you can use to protect the young climbing fruit, we have shading, training, watering, drip irrigation, and then the last one, that is fencing. And then the use of the following tools. First one that you'll be asked, that is rake. Rake, it is being used to gather grass in the field and then to levelize a seed bed. Other one that you'll be asked, that is garden trowel. The work of the trowel, it is to lift seedlings. Other one that you'll be asked in the exam, what to be done on tools after use. Something that is being done on the tools after use, you clean the tool. Other question that you'll be asked in the exam, list 4 types of bed. We have 4 types of beds, that is flat seed bed, we have raised seed bed, we have sunken seed bed, and then the last one, that is a container seed bed. Other question that will be asked in the exam, examples of drought-resistant crops. Drought-resistant crop examples, we have the green grams, we have the cowpeas, we have the pigeon peas. Other question that will be asked in the exam, one main importance of proper spacing. The main importance of proper spacing is to ensure that the crop receive adequate nutrients, water, sunlight, and air for proper growth. Other question that will be asked in the exam, method for caring for growing legume. The method that you can use to care for growing legume, that is gapping, mulching, tining, and then weeding. Another question that will be asked in the exam, what is gapping? Gapping means to replace the seedling which failed to germinate so that high yields are obtained. And then another question that will be asked in the exam, give main reason why allowing the correct number of plants per hole. The reasons why you allow the correct number of plants per hole, it is to reduce competition. Other question that will be asked in the exam, method for care for young creeping. The method that you can use to care for the creepers, that is mulching, weeding, protecting the crop from physical damage, shading, top grazing with manure, and training the crop. Another question that will be asked in the exam, give the main reason why drip irrigation is encouraged when you have planted creepers. The reason why it is encouraged to use drip irrigation, it is because it does not overweight the soil and the leaves, which can lead to fast spread of diseases. Other question that will be asked in the exam, give the main reason why creeping crops require adequate nutrients. The reasons why it requires adequate nutrients in order to grow fast and produce big leaves and fruits. I wish you all the best.